dealing with could not find any files to read error. Here we have very basic transformation. Let's run it. As you can see, it works absolutely fine. Transformation is completed. Let's do exactly the same, but from the package. It is failed with the message could not find any files to read. This is because when we design transformation, we can point it to any file we want. However, when transformation is executed from the package or workflow, it uses the directory and if there are no files, this directory, it will fail. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.